Hello everybody. So today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about magnetic field. So now I will show you how to answer. In 16 seconds, a total charge of 245 coulombs flows through a wire. If the wire is inside of a 40 millitesla's perpendicular magnetic field, it experiences a magnetic force of 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative number 2 newtons. What is the length of wire? So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Because this is about perpendicular magnetic field, so we just use this formula in here. This one that is about the force, so we have the number in here. B, that's about this number in here. Now they want to find L, that's about the length of wire. So we need to find about the current. About the current, we have Q over T. This is about the total charge. We have this number in here. And T, that's about time in seconds. So we have this number in here. Now we want to find L. So L in this situation, we have F divided by B and I. So I, we have this one. So we put this one on here. And now we just put the number in here. F, we have 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative number 2. B, we have 40 milliteslas. So that should be about 40 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative number 3. Q, we have 245. And the time is 16 seconds. We put into calculator and we have the final answer. So we have 0.097 80. And if we put into decimal place, that should be about 9.8010 to the power of negative number 2. And that is about meters. This is the end. Thank you for watching.